Introducing the luxurious 2023 Audi A6 Limousine 40, TDI SE5, door auto in stunning blue. This powerhouse boasts a 2-litre diesel engine, automatic transmission, and a sleek saloon body style, packed with comfort and technology features such as air conditioning, satellite navigation, and Bluetooth phone connectivity. This vehicle ensures a smooth and enjoyable ride every time. Safety is paramount with ABS, parking assistance, collision avoidance braking, and more. The elegant interior features luxury trim and ambient lighting for a truly premium experience. With additional security features like centralized locking and LED lights, peace of mind is guaranteed. Rest assured, knowing this vehicle has undergone a full multi-point health and safety check, is serviced to manufacturer specification, and comes with a comprehensive warranty. For more information on this incredible Audi A6, contact us at Michael Moore or visit our website michaelmoore.ie today.